Hello, my name is Hal Epstein. I am the founder and CEO of Telenet Solutions. We have been in business since 1997. We install and service both new cloud-based voice phone systems as well as traditional phone systems. We work with name brands such as Panasonic, Avaya, NEC, Jive, and many more. In addition to helping you with your phone system needs, we can support you further by helping you with voice and data cabling. We represent all the major carriers for internet and phone connectivity, meaning phone calls. What this all means is that we are a one-stop shop that can help you with phone systems, cabling, connectivity, or anything else related to voice or data communications. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional customer service. You can view what our previous clients think of us by looking us up on Yelp or Google. I look forward to helping you and would love to serve you in any way that I can. For more information or to get in touch with us, please visit our website at telenetsolutions.com or social media. We are on every major platform. If you would like to call us, we can be reached at 888-611-1485. Again, 888-611-1485. Thanks, and be on the lookout for additional content.